Hello there! In this video, I will go over my medium fidelity prototype for my chosen LLM Concierge chatbot interface for restaurant selection. For my demo, I will walk through a few sample interactions between the user and the prototype of my design. In order to simulate the real-life application, we present the user with static views that compose our interface as a slide deck, following the same step-by-step order the user would experience in a real interaction. These static views encompass a wide variety of interaction possibilities and sequential branches that the users can delve into. We then prompt the user to interact with these views as it normally would with a real interface. Based on the user actions, the prototype automatically replaces the screenshot shown with its corresponding follow-up view, linking one slide to another based on which components are clicked. Since our application is LLM-based, it would not be possible to represent the full range of human speech possibilities in a static prototype. Therefore, we instead present the user with a few response options to choose from, which guide the different path the conversation can take within the prototype. Upon opening the application, the user is greeted by the chatbot, which seamlessly starts the conversation verbally. I decided to make the experience primarily voice-based because this creates a more human-like feel to the interaction when compared to the text-based chat I had explored in my initial prototype. This also makes it easier for the user to iterate with the chatbot without the physical latency limitations of typing out their thoughts. However, I kept a keyboard-based experience option for use cases where the user may not be able to speak out loud or for users with accessibility requirements. Let's see the chatbot in action.
Good evening, Karim. May I help you find somewhere to dine tonight?
Once the chatbot switches into listening mode, we can see that a very clear visual cue is given to indicate it is waiting for the user's response. The interface changes color. This removes any ambiguity that may cause confusion in the user. As the person becomes increasingly more used to interacting with this interface, more of a subconscious signal this color change becomes, decreasing the cognitive gap between the human's input processing and executing a reaction. This makes the interface increasingly easier to use with time. Now, the user selects the desired response to the chatbot's prompt. In addition to saying it out loud, as would be done with the real interface, the user clicks on the chosen option, which leads the prototype to flow onto the corresponding view. Yes, I'm going out with a few friends for dinner. Someplace without a wait, please.
No problem. Do you have a cuisine in mind or perhaps a vibe you're going for?
Any cuisine, but not spicy. Also, not somewhere too fancy, but more than casual, with a nice wine selection.
Got it. Here are some restaurants I think you might like. I'd recommend Cotonia, which is an Italian restaurant with a nice indoors-outdoors layout. It's definitely more than casual, but not fine dining level. Following on the Italian wine bar mood, we have Alto Vino. Or if you're not feeling Italian, Kokari is an amazing Greek place with a cozy ambiance. Or if you want to go a little more casual but still a SF staple, you could check out Tony's Pizza. These are all in walking distance from you too. Any thoughts?
We can see here that the chatbot is able to talk directly to the user and determine the specific environment they are looking for, based on preferences loosely communicated in conversation. This significantly decreases the gulf of execution by giving the user flexibility in how to accomplish the desired tasks. The user does not have to communicate their preference through a rigid set of commands, but can instead convey their thoughts as they would with a human concierge. Tell me more about Cotonia.
I'm glad you like that option. Cotonia is popular for their pasta dishes, and in particular, their signature single raviolo, a supersized version of the pasta served with raw egg yolk on top. It's very well rated. People love the food, the service, the ambiance. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with it. And they have a fantastic wine list as per your request.
This looks great. Please make a reservation for 4 people in 30 minutes.
Sure thing. Reservation for 4 people confirmed for 8:30. Enjoy.
And that's a full cycle interaction between the user and our prototype. As you can see, the simple LLM service is able to meet the user's needs far more smoothly than many currently available restaurant selection interfaces. It focuses on providing a few key advantages. frictionless communication of what the user wants, a curated list of options free from unwanted data noise, and a simple UI design without unnecessary distractions. There is no need for endless buttons, everything is achieved by voice. Let's go over a couple more example flows.
Good evening, Karim. May I help you find somewhere to dine tonight?
This time, I would follow the task that our test users were asked to complete as part of our evaluation. Yes, I have a friend visiting, and I don't know where to take her. What are some good options?
Don't worry, I can help you with that. What kind of place would you like? Any cuisine in particular?
I could really go for Greek tonight. Any options?
Oh, I love Greek food. There's souvla if you're looking for something casual, or kokari if you'd like to splurge. What do you think?
My friend loves to eat well, and I haven't seen her in so long. What's good at Kokari?
Kokari is right around the corner. First of all, that's a plus. It's definitely on the fancier side and certainly a whole other vibe than souvla. If your friend likes Greek, I'm sure she will love it. There are delicious little appetizers to share, tapas style, and all sorts of meat, chicken, and seafood prepared to the best of Greek cuisine. The restaurant itself is dark and cozy and feels like you're eating in someone's house, with rugs everywhere, a fireplace, and windows that open up to fresh air outside.
Oh yeah, she's gonna love this. Could you make a res for 2 at 8 p.m., please?
Of course. Reservation for 2 people tonight, 8 p.m. at Kokari, confirmed.
This interface also allows users to keep a running history of food preferences and places they're interested in, and serves as a one-stop shop for any insight into the user's local culinary scene. Let's look at an example.
Good evening, Karim. May I help you find somewhere to dine tonight?
Not for tonight, but I'm wondering if any cool new restaurants open up around here lately.
Sure, I can help you with that. There's two that opened up this month. One is a spicy Mexican place that I don't think you'd like. The other might be to your liking. It's a new Lebanese spot. Let me show you. The place is called Mezzo and More, and it's been getting quite the hype already. They have stellar reviews at 4.8 stars and offer so many of the Lebanese dishes you like: shawarma, batata hara, moussaka, and much more. It's a laid back vibe so great for a chill visit with friends. And I heard their mint lemonade is amazing.
Nice. That looks great. Make a note of this place for next time I ask you for a suggestion.
Sounds good, I won't forget. Mezzo and More next time it is.
And that's it. The design I presented combines the convenience and flexibility of conversational LLM interactions, a clean and simple interface without room for confusion, a curated list of results that allow users to find what they want quickly and easily, and a personalized rapport with the concierge that remembers the user's preferences automatically. All this contributes to a seamless and easy to use interface that improves the user's experience in searching for new restaurants on several fronts. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and thanks for watching!